He wants to know the difference between al-Muttaqeen and the-Saleheen.
Both can be the same thing. Al-Muttaqeen are those who have no limit of their rise towards God. But Saleheen is a term applies to the lowest rank of believers who have followed the straight path, who have followed the straight path. So, an-Nabiyyin, Siddiqeen, Shuhada and Saleheen. So as a term, the word Saleheen applies to the lowest rank. But according to the Holy Quran, many prophets are mentioned as Saleheen. So here the Saleheen has this maximum meaning. So as far as taqwa is concerned, that arises from the lowest person who is not even Saleh, but has taqwa of heart. He has the quality of calling a spade a spade. That is the lowest translation of taqwa. Up to the time of the status of Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, so all prophets, all people with taqwa are divided or arrayed between these in different ranks. So Saleheen, from one aspect, applies to the prophets as well.
يقول حضرته أنه بصفة عامة كلا التعبيرين لهم نفس المعنى.